We are in the last month of Q1, so we are going to have to make it very active and very impactful and very memorable. So Savvy Pros, it's all about.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more upcoming videos.
Hey Savvy Pros, it is a whole new month. Welcome to March, and I hope you are keeping it savvy as you're moving forward with your 2025 one goal. And right now we are in the last month of Q1, so we are going to have to make it very active and very impactful and very memorable. So Savvy Pros, it's all about your mission and your mission statement, but actually making a statement. Making a statement in the things you do, in the things you wear, in the things you accomplish, in your interactions with other people, making them memorable and making them impactful. And the best way to do this is by mapping everything out. And yes, I am still a planner in 2025, and although I love some flexibility and some spontaneousness, I also do love the art of planning and thinking on paper. So mapping everything out is going to really help you to visualize it, see it, and if for any reason while you're on course you forget what you were set out to do, you can always refer to it. Having a mission statement, having a statement that you can put out about yourself is going to keep everything in alignment and actually let everybody know who you are and what you are about. And although these things can change and you can compound on them every single day or every single week by taking discipline shots, if you know, you know, being able to be consistent in the right way, disciplined in the right way is actually phenomenal. And over the past since January, February, and now into March, I have been mixing compounding with discipline. And these two going together are two ingredients that are destined to actually spring forward or really push anything forward. Compounding it with discipline and being as consistent about it. And I was looking online, and one thing that Savvy Pros are really talking about is the morning routine, or what you're doing in your morning to start out your day and how it really affects it. So if you don't have that morning routine set up, go ahead and do that. And if you already do, share it with other people because it could be very helpful. And mind you, there might be days when you feel like I just want to sleep in or I don't really want to do anything, and that happens. So give yourself some grace. But professionals, we are making it a memorable month, one backed with your mission statement, being about what you're about and saying what you're about and doing what you're about. So as always, Savvy Pros, I love sharing with you this relevant and actionable content, and I look forward to sharing and delivering more. So as always, Savvy Pros, I'll check in with you soon.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more upcoming videos.